up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Just dropped my daughter off at school, and today I'm gonna be making a little Starbucks run. So I'm like, you know what? Why not give y'all POV drive? Y'all probably like, why he gonna take us for a Starbucks run? Well, my girl's sick, so I'm gonna go over to a Starbucks by her. It's like 20-something minutes away, so I was like, you know what? Why not give a POV drive? Might as well. Let me see if I can go. Okay, this truck's going, so I'm gonna go. Sure. Alright. So, got a little POV drive thing. Like I was saying, I was like, you know what? Let me get a little POV drive since I'm gonna go ahead and go to Starbucks and get her a little medicine ball since she's sick. A little down, sis. Left lane real quick. Yes, sir. I'm still tired, but it is what it is. Let's get a video in. You know what I'm saying? Decent amount of traffic though. Decent little Friday. Yesterday was a good day. I didn't even go to work. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, I see a little Charlie, little blue Charlie. What that is? I think it's a V6. Let's see. Yeah, it's a V6. What I do need to do is get all up in that right lane, because that's where it clears up. Yeah, I know. Man, I need to get out of all this traffic though. Get in that right lane. All right, if y'all see my roof, I'm still finishing up my stars. I'm gonna try to put it in myself today. My girl was supposed to help. She said she wanted to help me out, but she's sick now, so it is what it is. Let me. Dang, that man's got no way. Should I still get it? Nope, a bus coming now. I guess I'm just gonna stay where I stay. But yeah, she can't help me now. She's too sick, so I'm gonna try to get it myself. Try to see if I can get through this traffic though. Right lane. He going slower. Yeah, good thing I didn't go in that right lane. He turning. Bro, y'all, this is so ass. I don't know if y'all can even see that. Y'all see that? Little crack in my windshield. Y'all can see that, right? I don't even know how that happened, bro. It was when it was like a little colder out. A little colder. No, it was cold as hell outside, I ain't gonna lie. My girl came over to my place. Then we was driving somewhere. I think we was gonna end up being at her place. I don't even know. I was driving. I did not have that. Then it's like, once we got to her place, I just looked at my windshield and I noticed. Now we went out to get food, and then I looked and I noticed that it had a whole crack from like side to side. I'm like, what the hell? I didn't have nobody hit my windshield. I don't know what happened, bro. This is just cracked. It was a little annoying for a quick second, but it is what it is. Life happens, so what Audi is that? Couldn't even see. That's something. Come on, Escalade, man. I need to get over, bro. Let me. Focus. You ain't going. One more lane. I seen the new Escalade, the electric Escalade. I don't know how I feel about it. Saw that at the car show. Man, I don't want to go to the Chicago auto show no more, man. Most of the cars weren't there. Then niggas in security acting like TSA. Well, that shit was crazy. One woman talking about I can get arrested just for going under a rope. When the people was walking on the other side of the rope, y'all been to the auto show, you know it's like that big hallway, the middle hallway, and then to the left it'll be cars, to the right it'll be cars. There's only cars on one side. Over here talking about some, you walking over there, you can get arrested. I'm like, arrested for what? Walking? Y'all niggas crazy. Y'all niggas was tripping this year, bro. nigga tripping. Stuck at this red light, man. Back on the road again. Bro, what is this thing in front of me, bro? Come on, Mazda. Look, this truck gonna go around me. I'm already knowing that truck gonna go around me. I'm gonna be stuck behind this slow nigga, bro. I don't know what it is. I just hate Mazdas with a passion, bro. I just feel like Mazdas just be making the ugliest cars. Nah, bro, I'm getting out from behind you. I try to hit my signal. I'm tweaking. Bro, it's so nice now. I finally renewed my registration. Bro, I was tweaking. They said my shit expired in when? I don't even remember. My registration been expired for a minute. I didn't get pulled over for like half a year. And then all of a sudden I started getting pulled over. Like after 6 months, they keep pulling you over after that shit. I just got pulled over and I finally got a ticket for that shit and front windshield, bro. I'm gonna take it to court though. I'm taking it to court. I'm gonna show on the registration. I renewed it a couple days after getting pulled over. And then I have pictures of my car without tint. So I'm gonna take that to court and show them that. Hopefully they dismiss it. Last time I got a windshield tint ticket, I got it dismissed. So hopefully he'll be cool. Hopefully I get a cool judge again. I gotta check my job, see if they let me get my court date off. Cause sir, I am not trying to pay $300-something for these bogus ass tickets. So let's see if they're cool. Let me get it off. You're gonna stay right where you are, Hyundai. Stay right where you are, Hyundai. Come on, y'all. Is that GMC sound like that? Let me go in that lane. Now I got my sticker. I'm cool. I'm chilling now. That's the only reason that 12 be pulling me over for anything. He just added that other stuff. The windshield tint. Cause everybody else be cool. But it is what it is. Even if I get one ticket thrown away and I have to pay the other, it's cool. It is what it is. Excuse me, sir. You done blocked me off from getting around. I'm on my way to get my girl medicine ball. She had move, nigga. Move, nigga. Yes, sir. Well, I remember one of my videos. It was crazy. I saw this minivan look just like this, low key. Pull somebody over. What 12 doing in minivans? That shit crazy. Come on, bro. I'm stuck behind all these people, bro. Need to get some white girl juice. Okay. Gotta be careful, 12 be on this street sometimes, though. Clocking niggas. That nigga just cut him off, low key. Get around. Let me get from around you. Let me get from around you. Look, this is a nigga. Let me see whose person cut him off. But she did not care. She just cut that nigga off. I'm on the road again. The little Starbucks thing on shit. Who you telling? Look, they go another. Is that a Monster or is that a Toyota? What is it? I'm trying to see on the camera what I'm driving. I think it's a Toyota. That motherfucker ugly as hell too. It's like, we technically going over the limit. This shit goes slow. Then we got the damn Subaru right next to Mazda. That shit. I don't know why. I just do not like Mazda. I hate Mazda for passion. And then Subaru right next door to them. Subaru is like the most boring ass car. I test drove a Subaru just because at an auto show a couple years ago. That shit was so boring. And the Bronco. The regular Broncos is so boring, bro. Look at yellow ass bands. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Oh, that's line for Duncan. I'm already knowing. Oh, that's not 12. I'm already knowing that it's going to be a long line for Starbucks. What we going to see? Dude, give me. Why my left shit look like that? It's me. What you looking at? What you looking at over there? Man, I need a car wash. I need a hand wash. I'm probably gonna go this weekend and get a hand wash. Damn, my shit looking clean. And I need an interior detail. I should go with my daughter's babysitter's husband. He be doing interior details and outside details. And he come to you, and he cheaper. He about like 70 plus bucks. I'm about to go to him, son. Excuse me, Nissan. I'm about to hit the bag. I did not hit the bag. Dang, bro, I should take yesterday off. I mean, I'm slow. I did take yesterday off. I should take today off, Friday type shit, but I was like, I'm not feeling good. What am I hearing? Yeah, something. Man, I can't even do nothing for y'all because we get stuck on all this traffic morning time. 8:30 in the morning, everybody going to work. Everybody in my way. Move, bitch. Get out the way. Let me go in this lane. Behind this Elantra. Low-key tired myself. Elantra made a U-turn. McClex. The hell is all over the place. What you doing? You ain't even turning left. What you doing? Nigga drunk. F300 with the brown top. Shit's kind of ugly. Damn, traffic, bro. Yeah, bro. Let's see. Damn, nah, he ain't going. McClex is going around. Shit. Trying to get y'all that POV. But I can't do nothing. All this traffic. It's cool. Get some. I need to get some videos out there, man. And now it's starting to get warmer. We can go to car shows. You know what I'm saying? Go to W. My window dirty. What is that? It's like Corolla. Okay. She chewing hard as hell. Let me leave though. My window's dirty. All right, y'all. So I ran out of camera storage. I got way too much stuff, videos and all that stuff, so I gotta clear it out. I did give my baby her medicine. Oh, it's about to spill. I did get her medicine ball. So let me go ahead and get that to her. And I'll be back. All right, y'all. So we went ahead, dropped off her little medicine ball. I'm getting me some Wendy's, but yeah. Thank y'all for watching the video. If you watched it all the way through, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.